Hi, so this is the final visualization for the project that we have been doing related to a Playstore App Dataset. Let's start with the data pane to see all the data that I have imported in Power BI. So as you can see, we have around 7,500 plus rows after cleaning. The final clean dataset has been exported in Power BI, sorry, imported in Power BI. Then for the second dataset, we have around 27,654 rows. Now let's move to the module pane to see how the connection between both the dataset has been done. As you can see, both the columns have a common, both the CSV file have a common column name, that is app, and it has been connected through that common column only. Now let's move on to the Visual Report pane. Let us understand the different type of charts that have been used. So this is basically a scroller that is used in stock markets. This option is only available if you have logged in into Power BI. It is generally not provided for free. Either you need to have a company email ID or you need to buy Microsoft 365, or you can just take a trial version that is free for 1 month, and then you can log in to Power BI from that ID, and then you will be able to use these type of charts. And then if you want to get more visuals, there is another option from where you can do that. A number of charts are present, but to access these, you need to log in. If you are not logged in, you won't be able to access these charts. As you can see, I am already logged in. Now, the second chart that I have used is a slicer. A slicer is used when you want to get category, when you want to get values for a specific category. As you can see, if I select negative, all the value for negative sentiment will pop up. If I select neutral, all the values for neutral sentiment will pop up. The same goes for positive. Now, if I want to clear the selection, I'll just right click and click on clear selection, and it will be done to the original form. The third type of chart that I've used is the card. It is used to display certain number, certain count, like the total number of app present in the data set is 7,515. The genre for those app, the total number of distinct genre is 111. The total number of category is 33. Again, this is a slicer, and this is a slicer for rating. So if I select 17 plus maturity, all the apps that is related to maturity 17 plus is displayed. Similarly, I can scroll it and choose other options as well. Now let's clear the selection. This is the third one. This is also slicer for sentiment subjectivity. As you can see, if I select any value, values in other charts gets changed. Now for some slicer, all charts are getting changed because they are connected, all those charts are connected to the slicer. And for some slicer, only one or two charts value is changing because only those charts are connected to that slicer. And the next chart that I've used is a pie chart. I've used a tree map chart. Then I've used a funnel chart. Here I have used, as you can see, a stacked column chart. And then I have used a line chart. And let's clear the selection for sentiment subjectivity. So this is how the visualization has been made. Thank you.